Hello guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. I remember myself the great Johnsonkeyz. Alright, so today I want to show you a very nice flat 5-7-3-6 chord in the key of F sharp. So let's imagine you're doing this song. High love is family of God. So these are just 3-6-2-5 chord. I've done that already on the channel. If you don't know where they are, just type it on the comment section. I'll send you the link. Or I'll just put the link on the comment section. So once someone asks the question and I've answered them, you can just look for people who have asked the question, so you can just check for the link. So hello, this family of God. So closely. And they have taken me that into the answer. I'm so glad to be a part of this great family. Right? I'll show you the chords for flat 5, then 7-3-6. Okay, so let me quickly show you the chord very fast. But before then, I just released another advanced piano passing chord in the key of C, and that's now selling it from my store, and also I sell that directly. Right, for the I think it's on the community channel also. Community of this channel, you can check the hats there, right? Or you can use my seller link. I'll also put the link in the comment section for you to buy it, or you can just chat me up directly. If you have my contact already, you can chat me up to buy it directly from me. It's 5,000 for people in Nigeria, and then it's $15 for people overseas. All right, so you need to buy that, right? And the one for F sharp also is coming very soon also. All right, so and you can pre-order it also. Okay, so the chord goes. So now we have the first progression was 3-6-2-5. I already taught that on the channel before, so I won't waste time going over that again. So now what is new here is the so closely knitted to one. We have 4. Then we have a flat 5, 7, 3, then 6. Right? So I already taught this chord progression before also in some other keys, and I've told you the variations that it's actually possible to have done so knitted to one. They have taken me to the answer. I'm so glad to be a part of the great family. You can I already told you that if you follow this channel, because we have a lot of lessons, I already told you that you can actually use 4 and then delay on 5, then to 3 to 6. It's in place of this chord progression. But then if you don't want to do that, if you already know that and then you want to take it forward, then that's when you should actually think about using this. They have taken me into the answer. I'm so glad to be a part of this. Wow. Let me not scatter table here. Alright, so let me quickly show you this. So flat 5 is in the key of F sharp. I'm in the key of F sharp. I hope I mentioned that in the beginning of the lesson. If I didn't do, then I just did that. Alright, so we have 4. We have a flat 5, which is C for the key of C sharp. Then so I'm showing the root line. So we have a C, F, E flat. I'm not the bassist. All right. Okay, so that's the root. C flat 5. Then the 7 is F for the key of F sharp. Then the 3 is B flat, right? And then the 6 is E flat. If you're watching this, you already know how to play the key of F sharp. All right. So now the chord. So I'm doing uh, so I'm doing the left hand nuances, right? From G, G while holding C, G all the way down to F. Then I start another journey again from D all the way down to E. So two journeys. First journey, G to F, that's backward. Then second journey, which is forward movement, D to E. Then you have this quarter voices, which is your 3, your 6, your 9. B flat, E flat, and A flat. Right? If the way I'm explaining this very slowly is still fast for you, then you need to be aware that YouTube has a playback button for you to for you to reduce the speed of. If this is fast for you, then please use the YouTube app option to reduce the playback. That means you need a very slower pace, and YouTube got you on that. They already fixed that on the app, so please just use that. God bless you. All right, so so that's the first chord. Then for our 7th chord this time around, we'll do. So let me just call the notes very fast. We have a F, C, and E flat on the left hand. Then A, C sharp, F, and G sharp or A flat on the right hand. So F dominant 7, 1, 5, 7. That's for the key of F. Then A major 7 sharp 5. This is an altered chord, right? Then this chord for 3. I think I once showed this also on the channel. I'm sure it's more than one set. So we have a B flat, F, and A flat on the left. Then on the right you have a C minor 7, which is a C, E flat, G, and B flat, right? Then you go to your 6. Woo! So we have a E flat and G on the left hand. On the right hand you have a C sharp diminished. That's a C sharp, E, and B flat. So we could have called this drop 2, but it's not drop 2 because we have another root already. Then you go to your 2. Most times the chords I don't show are the chords I already taught in other lessons. So, and I expect you to watch all the lessons, not just, you don't become a pro by watching one video, right? You become a pro. I'm not able to do over 700 videos by watching just one video or reading one book. I read a lot, right? So if you want to become like me, then you should be ready to use many resources. So I have a lot of resources on this channel, over 700 videos, plus my piano courses. Just get these things and you'll be a pro in no time. I get testimonies every second from various countries. God bless you for staying till this time. God bless you. God bless you. I love you. Thank you. Bye.